tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can solve this error, disk full. Now, if you're a graphic designer who use Photoshop a lot, definitely you've come across this error and it's frustrating. I can tell you, I've been there, especially if I'm doing carousel designs. But I have two methods I'm going to be showing you on this video how you can go about it and solve it easily. The second one is completely free as long as you know how to operate your system well enough. But this first one is you getting an external hard disk. Just go and purchase one, or if you have one on your desk, just insert it. But you need to tell Photoshop to focus on this external hard disk instead of the primary hard disk on your laptop. So now let me show you how you can do that. Go to your Photoshop now. So you go to your edit. There you see preference. From preference you see scratch disks. So here you can see I have two hard disks here, my C and H, which is my external hard disk right now. Right now it's focused on the main hard disk, which is a internal hard disk. So I can decide to off this, enable my external and off my internal hard disk. So here right now I'm going to focus on the external and I can continue my work. The second method is for you to go to your search bar on your window and search for disk clear up. You have to select the hard disk you want to clear up. There are times whereby your system keeps some file that you don't even know about. They are just there on your system, just there, taking your space. So here you click on the disk you want to clear up, you press OK, which is my C. So now it clears it up and loads this panel for me. Now this panel, I get to see what is happening. Now you can see I have a total of 17.5 gig rendered, like not useful right now. There are space there and I'm not using them at all. There are files that, they're not useful to me. So all I have to do is make sure that I enable every part of it, enable all these. Once you enable them, you click on clear up system file. Now you go again. Now you press OK. So here you get to see, are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Yes, I'm sure. Then delete file. Wait for it. So right now, it's done. So if I go to my disk, this is what I have before. Let's refresh. Now, you get to see what just happened. It has been able to clear up 17.5 gig. But this second method doesn't mean it's done, like done. You have to, do it often because there's always going to be files stored on your system without your permissions. They're just over there. So you have to do it often and often to clear up more space on your system. If you find this video helpful, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment what next you want me to talk about. Stay blessed.